here with another episode of Cooking and Hating It, and I fucking hate cooking. This is going to be a completely new episode. I'm not trying to use up produce from our local rescue because guess what? It's been motherfucking 115 degrees here. Our air conditioning is out. I'm sweating motherfucking bullets, and all the produce has been rotted, I guess. So I'm making shit that I found out of ingredients I found in my cupboard, and I think you have these ingredients too. So I have thought that would be like really fun because I like history. I'm a nerd. Are you a nerd? Yes, yes. Anyways, this recipe is from 1935. It is a raisin spaghetti ring. I hate raisins and I hate cooking, so like I think this is perfect. So for this raisin spaghetti ring, you're gonna need the all-star of ingredients. Just imagine what all this is going to be like together. Spaghetti, cheese, raisins, white breadcrumbs, onions, salt, pepper, eggs, milk, and fish. So this is a cup of raisins. Do you like raisins on your spaghetti?
Okay, breadcrumbs. This is a cup of breadcrumbs. Onions.
You know what? If you notice, I'm not really swearing very much because, like, so far this is like a fucking really easy recipe. I bet you people in the 30s loved making this. Just like imagine your great granny, granddaddy just came back from the outhouse. No, they use outhouses back then. I don't know, and I'm sorry for suggesting that. They did use it. I knew people that used it in the 50s. Okay. So the recipe calls for a cup and a half of milk. From the food rescue, I got all these International Delight half and halves. And I am going to waste my time opening these up and doing it until I have a cup and a half. I don't know, like, is this like a self-esteem issue or something that I make myself do this? No, actually it's not. I have been self-quarantining, so I'm not about to run out and get anything I need. Because I have it all here. You have a ketchup drawer, don't you? I know you do. I always like to buy my eggs from someone who raises chickens. I've raised chickens growing up, but we never got any eggs out of them. The weasels got them. So you beat them, not the chickens. Oh, please don't. I love chickens. We had a guard chicken once. You got this. Mix your milk, your almond milk, your coconut milk, whatever you want to use, or your like half and half from the gas station, and mix it with the egg.
This mixture, in with the spaghetti. How much cheese? Do you use any kind of cheese? I think it's just
What are your impressions now? Like, do you think this is going to be kind of like a sweet macaroni and cheese? You don't have the fish yet. That comes later.
I don't know how we did this in the 30s.
And this is it. It smells really good, actually. Like, I'm really, really shook because I thought I was, like, honestly gonna barf over this, but I'm pretty excited. But I don't really like raisins, but, you know, pasta, cheese, can't go wrong, I think. It looks really good. This is the finished product. It took about an hour and 15 minutes. It is spaghetti, cheese, raisin bake. Has a hole in the center, and the recipe calls for putting fish in the center. I actually hate fish, so I'm gonna be kind to myself and just omit it. And Kevin and I are gonna taste it right now. First impressions.
I've never seen anything like it.
Are you scared? Nervous?
I'm intrigued, that's for sure. It smells really good. It smells like mac and cheese.
Okay. Let's try it. I'm not going to get a bite with raisins because I'm a sicko. What's your opinion?
The raisins are really good in it, actually. They got really soft.
I'm actually shocked because there's like literally nothing wrong with this recipe. I think it would be better with a stronger cheese.
Yeah, definitely.
It's kind of bland, but I mean, I think like
Yeah, I think
the stronger cheese would do something.
Saltier cheese? Or just stronger?
It's stronger, I think.
Yes, there's nothing, like you said, there's nothing wrong.
I literally expected to barf. Like, come on. Don't I sometimes like, I barf easy, don't I?
You have a reaction. That's for sure.
If I don't like something, the smell of something, taste of something, I will like literally just sit there and barf. And that's why I didn't put fish in it because like, I know you all might want to watch me barf. Well, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. But it would make for good TV, maybe. I don't know. This isn't even TV. Who the fuck watches this?
It'd definitely be memorable.
Yeah. So I was raised in the middle of nowhere where we just ate like the same thing all the time. Pork chops, because we raised pigs. Like, all I ate was pork chops. Well, okay, mashed potatoes and canned corn. Okay, I had that too.
Ooh,
But
exciting.
and chips and ice cream. Anyways, so like, I like kind of like any food that wasn't outside of like, what did I say, like 6 different foods, like, I wasn't sure that I would like them. And then I ended up traveling the world and blah, 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 and moving to a city. And then I actually like almost every single food out there.
I like most things, definitely.
And this I expected to expand my palate, but it just kind of fucking tastes like food I could have been raised on. Like, I don't know, like it seemed like really sick. Like really, really sick. Or maybe it was like the fact that fish should be in the middle of this, but
Raisins with the spaghetti kind of reminds me of like, remember there was that thing that was psychologically harming people, like, it was like a lotus blossom with like all those holes.
oh yeah, that's the phobia of all those holes. You know, I have it. It starts with a T.
But I think the raisins mixed with the spaghetti kind of made me think of that for some weird reason.
No, Jesus. Don't make me phobic of this dish. Wait, let's get a mouthful. I love you.
I love you too.
Hesitant. Oh my god!
Not at once.
Oh my god! We didn't have that. This was supposed to be in the shot the whole time.
It holds its shape.
It holds. It's kind of benign. I mean, like, what I mean is, like, I think, like, I don't think there's very many people who would not like this. It's not orgasmic, like chamois popsicles. It's definitely not on par with that. But you could always have that for dessert if you're up for that, like, flavor explosion. Right. I might make this again. And this is it. It smells really good, actually. Like, I'm really, really shook because I thought I was, like, honestly gonna barf.